discussing to you the poem Light of Spring by Sima Simi. So before we go on with the stanzas of the poem, let's read the poem, okay? So it goes like this. So the winter closed its fist and got stuck in the lock. And the project goes up aloft. In its throat, ice pounding itself upon iron, the handle paralyzed at an angle. Then the twisting of the wheat straw into ropes, lapping them tight, trunk, stem, and snout, then a light. And that sent the pot into flame. It cooled. We lifted her large, her engine to sweat, and she came. And this is the poem. So let me just discuss to you the poem by its stanza. First stanza, Simi talk about how the entrance of the winter goes like. He compared it to the fist of our hands, which means that when we close our fist, which it means that there's nothing for us to expect, or there's nothing for us to gain more. There's nothing to gain more because we already closed our fist and we had enough of the thing that we are expecting. So he compared the entrance of the or the exit of the winter as like our fist as it closes. Then next it's that it got stuck in the pump. We all know that a pump is a source of water. In the country men with the country people like Simusini himself, a pump is used to supply water in their country. So when something got stuck in the pump, then therefore the water will no longer, or there's a difficulty in receiving the water that they need. So what he described that winter causes the water in the pump to be stuck. Then next, the plunger pulls it in the left. It shows here that something the the ice during the winter or the snow that was formed during the winter was now stuck in one side of the country or one side of a place near their country because the lump is something that used to describe that something that is plastered. So the whole of the first stanza is describing how winter goes and how it is or what happens when it exits, what will be described as it exits. But the second stanza goes like in its throat, ice pounding itself upon iron, the hammer powers at the angle. This one, he was able to encapsulate that the winter is closing at a fast rate because as you can see, ice pounding itself, so it means that the ice are establishing itself in an iron, which means that we all know that an iron is hot, and when you put ice on an iron, the ice will melt fast or instantly. So he is actually comparing the entrance of winter into something that is of a fast stage. Then the third stanza talks about the twisting of wheat straw into ropes, letting them tied round around the snout and the light. And therefore, Simusin is actually talking about the start of work or something to do with adventure as the summer came in. We all know that summer has something to do with us working or enjoying the work under the sun. So he is actually describing the works or the things that happen in their country town when summer comes to them. Then the last is that sent the palm in a flame. It cooled, deleted her lunch, her entrance was wet and she came. It says here that when ices melt, the glaciers melt, there will be much or the place will be colder than usual. Usually this is the indication that the summer is here because like what I've said, the glaciers or the ice melts and the air coming from this melted ice surrounded the place, especially those that belong to the countryside. So the whole of the poem describes how the winter closes and how the summer enters. We all know that Silasili himself is a countryman, so he have experience and have seen much more of this. This is the meaning of his poem. Very simple yet very meaningful. That is Silasili, an Irish poet, still alive.